What is up, guys? Bingo here, back with another unboxing, and tonight we're opening the Samsonite Xenon 3.0 2-cassette top loader briefcase, which comes in black. So this is their pretty much entry-level briefcase, which is, I think it's been out for a few years now, and I saw that it's actually currently on sale from like 150 or 130 Australian dollars down to, oh, almost got myself there. Did I? No. Down to 83 Australian dollars size. So it just comes in this generic box with Samsonite logo branding, says there, and try to pull it out here. Got another piece of cardboard, just goes up like that. Got another cardboard in here, and then there she is, Samsonite Briefcase, Xenon Briefcase. So yeah, I think I already said this is, I kind of sort of cut myself, but that's alright, there's no bleeding. This is their quite generic briefcase, Samsonite business. This one reminds me of like a typical businessman. Let's see if we can have a better look here. Typical businessman or traveler bag briefcase. So we've got some strap here if you want to put that into your roller carry on. And let's see, Samsonite Business Xenon 3.0. It's a 2-cassette top loader. It says fits laptop to 15.6. This is the one that I'm really curious because I got a 16-inch Lenovo Legion 7 Pro, 7i Pro, TSA checkpoint friendly, tablet pocket, durability, and organization. So I got this because it was on sale. I was looking for a briefcase bag because I'm like traveling soon back home to the Philippines. So watch out. We're planning to do like a travel vlog of some sort. But yeah, subscribe if you want to see more of that content. Just gonna go enjoy my homeland. Come on, the Filipinos, mag-subscribe na kayo. But yeah, this is the Samsonite bag itself. It looks really sleek, I would say. It looks pretty nice. It looks basic, but I'd say it's pretty alright. Let me try to put this down here. First, let's go through each part of the bag. Let's go to the front. We've got lots of organizers. It's actually pretty thick as well. So you can put your passport in there for quick access and pen and stuff. I'm actually quite impressed by this. Zippers seems good quality. There's some paper here. I think they put this into, I think this is the tablet pocket paper to fill in so that the bag will retain its shape while it's still not being sold. More paper. So you even got logos here for mouse, chargers, and you got the sling, which is detachable, pretty high quality, I would say. 3 dividers, silicone gel, and there's another main pocket here, which actually opens all the way. It's amazing. That's actually pretty nice. So, one for the tablet and pen or something. I'm guessing this is for the laptop. And it's got pretty nice padding in here. And there's not much padding. There is a padding, but okay, now for the test. Otherwise I'm gonna return this. I got the Lenovo Legion 7 Dusty Lenovo Legion 7i Pro, which I have to bring because I got to do assessments and stuff, and it fits perfectly. So yeah, it says 15.6, but it does fit perfectly. There you go. So let's try add more stuff. Got here my Galaxy Tab S9, which is an 11-inch tablet. Fits perfectly there. So the laptop and tablet can stay there. And I'm not sure if you could put more, maybe papers in the middle. You can close that. I can't be bothered to get my laptop power adapter, but it's probably gonna fit here somewhere. Should fit in there. Should be enough space. Oops, it's a bit of a shake in the camera, but yeah. This one, what is this? Red Magic Astra, could easily fit in there as well. So many stuff I could fit in. Let's try like 2 phones and I'm actually recording with my main phone, the S25 Ultra, but I can put in this here as well. Easily slides in. I think that should be safe. Should be alright. So you got your 2 tablets and the phone. There's even more here. I don't know what I'm going to put here. Maybe I can put the battery, the power adapter there. And I guess you could put phone here. Fits nicely. And you can close it up. So yeah, it's actually quite a lot of space in this. It's quite heavy. It is quite heavy if you put everything in there, but yeah, I guess, well, I'm not really packing now, but yeah, there's one more. Just the essentials that I need for the flight. Can put in my headset as well. Probably somewhere here in the middle. So it expands pretty much. Could go quite thick. See? There you go. This is quite filled in. Maybe put in, so I'm pretty much putting in passports, documents. Sorry for the shaky camera. And what else? Tablet, it's there. I don't know. And I also want to say that the sling has padding in it. I'm probably just gonna shove this up my carry-on luggage, but yeah, it's pretty lots of space. We got more here. We got space there. So how much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 main zippers compartment. And the important thing is the laptop is here. You can put the laptop here. And honestly, the laptop, I'm not gonna put it. I'm not gonna be opening my laptop during my flight. So, but I will need this if I'm just going to like the coffee shop, going out somewhere, and I need to bring my laptop in. And it could fit the power adapter as well. I'm pretty sure it will fit there. Just gonna be better to take it out because it's way at the back right now. So yeah, dirty table. So I'm pretty sure this is like the only video showcasing this bag, because I've been looking for a review or a video of this Xenon 3.0 and somewhere, and I couldn't find one. TikTok, YouTube, for some reason it's not showing up. And this is basically a quick overview of this bag, I guess. It's only 83 Australian dollars, so it's really really nice, and it seems durable. It's a Samsonite brand. I'd say the quality, the padding's not that much, but it seems like it's gonna hold up. But I think people are gonna be more concerned with the style, because it's just comes in black. It's pretty basic. It's a very dad briefcase, aunt briefcase, but I like it. It's sleek. It's just black with some red stitching here. We got the Samsonite zippers, which when metal zippers, which I think looks pretty good. And I think there's some pretty good padding in there. And I would say quality, we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know once I travel. If it's comfortable, or I'm not really a bag reviewer. I don't deal with ergonomics and stuff. But I'm happy with this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this when I go home. And yeah, that's your overview for this Xenon Samsonite bag. It's your typical briefcase bag. For specs, dimensions, I'll let you put a link down to the website or something. Yeah, see, we got quality assurance test and stuff. Smart sleeve, yeah. Zippered pockets, removable shoulder straps. I would say the shoulder strap looks pretty high quality. Feels pretty high quality. It's got quite nice padding in there, and quite nice metal latch carabiner. I don't think it's this is going anywhere. I was torn between getting the alpaca briefcase bag, but that was like 180 Australian dollars. It's typically about 130 or 150 Australian dollars. It's on sale for $80 right now, which is quite a good deal. And yeah, this is a Samsonite Xenon 3.0. If this is the first video you've seen of it, well, you're welcome. You just want to see what it's like. You like all those pockets and stuff. Pretty good in terms of that department. And I'm really happy that this thing goes all the way. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment down below, what do you think about this briefcase if you're using this Samsonite briefcase, and like, subscribe. I got a few more travel bags to open, luggages specifically, so watch out for that if you want to check it out. And yeah, oh, and by the way, thanks for the 100 subs for everyone watching. If you made it far in this video, appreciate it. And yeah, I'm planning to like do some giveaway for appreciation. Probably just gonna be Australia right now. But yeah, watch out for that. I still can't decide what to like do for a giveaway. Anyway, see you guys in the next video, and peace out.